everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wow, not happy here again. All the pressure on Congress to act was basically just robbed, which means the odds of us seeing the $1,200 stimulus checks just went into the toilet. Donald Trump held a press conference and decided to redirect unused CARES Act money and FEMA money to cut the payroll tax for anyone making less than roughly $100,000 per year. It looks like if you make over $100,000, you won't be able to opt into the deferral, but details on whether this will be a deferral or forgiven are still up in the air. That's cool and all, but honestly, for someone making $1,000 per week, they'd get a measly $76.50 more. Like, seriously, that's supposed to be a stimulus? It's more like a little bit of extra salt on my bacon sandwich. Like, I really don't notice a little bit more salt. It's already very salty. There's no difference. They're also currently showing the payroll tax cut as a deferral, which means Congress still has to act to eliminate the money that's owed, which really means we get $0 until the future. So that's not really that great. Then Trump told some departments like Housing and Urban Development to maybe ban evictions and maybe help people. Then we heard that unemployment would be extended by $400 per week, but only if states kick in 25%. Otherwise, you get $300 per week if states don't kick in. If states give you more, the government will kick in a bit more. But didn't we just have 2 months of debate in Congress about getting states help? And now states are supposed to fund more unemployment pay with money that they don't have? It's very confusing. Then students' loan payments were canceled through the end of the year, and Trump dangled the carrot on that. Oh, if you elect me, I'll make the payroll tax permanent and I'll make your student loan payments suspended for longer. Just vote for me, not Biden. Vote for me. And yeah, so wow. I mean, it doesn't matter what side you're on at this point. It just seems like stimulus has turned into an election issue, not a helping the people matter. Because really, people who are working get pennies from this. People who are on unemployment are going to have to rely on their states kicking in money. People who aren't working get absolutely nothing. Heroes get nothing extra. Essential workers get nothing extra. Schools don't get anything. No stimulus checks, no money for testing or a vaccine. It's nothing. This is BS, and I'm at a loss for words. I don't even know what to say. The big issue is that this is going to make Congress move even slower. They'll probably take off and go on recess for a month and just, wait and see. And before you know it, there will just never be any stimulus. What is happening to our country? Is it really this divided? I don't even think these changes are stimulus. It's like giving a child some candy just to make them be quiet for a little while and go away. I feel bad for the people who are disabled. They get nothing. Or retired people, they get nothing. This isn't even going to help people pay rent. This just seems nominal, especially since we don't even know if this is going to be deemed illegal action. We could literally be in the same place 2 weeks from now, realizing that none of Trump's executive orders mattered because the courts threw them out. And then Congress is on recess, and then we're screwed again. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to tune in next time. Thanks so much. Bye.